Hey guys, hi and welcome back. Here I have the close buttons, which is very small part. I will copy and paste it here. And now I have the close buttons. I didn't save. When I reload, here I have this, but nothing happens. We just tested this part for the alerts. Do you remember? Then I have what? I have the collapse. So here, link with a link with href. You can use link of href attribute or a button data target in both cases of collapse. Click on the buttons below to show and hide on another elements. When I click here, now I have these elements. When I copy and paste, okay. Here I have the ID of collapse, okay, and the content, but it is hidden. And here I have the href of collapse item. So here, when I make it just call, and here call, and here call, okay, and here call, and here call, I think we will have a problem. When I reload here, and here when I click here, I have this, or when I click here, it disappears. When I click here, now I have the content. Great. So now you know how to change the IDs. The multiple targets. When I click here, I have this. When I click here, I have this, and when I click here, I have this. Okay. In here, and I will copy and paste. When I reload, when I click here, I have toggle the first element. When I click here, I have this. When I click here, toggle the both elements. When I click here, okay, or when I click here, or when I click here, now I have just one. This for the toggling. Great. When I click here, I have both of them. Then I have accordion example. When I click here, now I have this. When I click here, now I have this. This is great. These parts are not there in the Bootstrap 4. So here, when I reload the page, I have 1. When I click here, now it's closing. I have 3 and 2. Or when I click here, great. Then I have what? I have accessibility. This is the JavaScript. We don't need it. Okay, the drop-down links. The examples. When I click here, now I have this one. This is used in the nav bar, but we will make it. When I copy and paste here, when I reload, so here I have the drop-down link. Okay, and then I have here, and with a element, a instead of button. It is okay, we don't need to make it. Here I have the colors with the button danger or anything I want, and here, and I have a list with the info or warning, danger or anything. We don't need it. And here we don't need it again. This for the sizing. Okay, and here the directions. I want up or down. Okay, let's copy this part and make it here. Okay, so here I have the drop up, the button group of drop up, and here where's the drop down? Here I have the drop down, and here I have the drop up. We can make it for the JavaScript of toggling the classes. I will scroll down. What is it? Okay, here I have the split drop up. After this, I have the drop right. Now it is dropping right. Okay, we just change this into the drop right. I will copy this here In here I will reload and scroll down. Here I have this one. Great. Now I have what? I have the drop left. I can just copy and paste this part. Okay. Okay. When I click here, I have nothing because we have nothing in the list. Okay. Then I have the drop down. This is okay. We have tested this before. Now I have this one with a list of hover. Okay. I can copy this part and paste it here. And here when I reload, here I have what's the problem? The drop menu of left. I think we got a problem. What is it? We got a problem. So here I will make it here. I think this is not for the buttons. What is it? We just got a problem here. Okay, I will create a new file. File of index.html. Sorry, .html. I will get the starter, just the starter, because I think we have no space here. I don't know. Here v5 get Bootstrap. In here documents. And the starter template. Paste. Okay, and then we will copy this one here and paste it instead of hello world. If it works, I will give it a title. Here the Bootstrap 5. The components, this one, okay. Into the Google Chrome. We have a problem. Yes, we have a problem. I don't know what the problem is. We can check it together. Let's make anything else and see what we have. Okay. I had the same problem. What is it? I think the problem is with the Bootstrap. When I make anything else, like this, I will try anything else. If it doesn't work, so the problem, if it works, so the problem is with the Bootstrap. Yes, the problem is with the Bootstrap, not with that. Okay, so here, let's go more. After this, I have... okay, I think all of these have problems. The text. When I make it here, I will copy all of these parts and make it for this one. Okay, so here when I reload and I scroll down. Okay, here I have all of that. There's no problem with us. Okay, the text, I will copy the text. Okay, when I reload, here I have the same problem. I think the Bootstrap 5 have problems with these parts. I will copy and paste again. So we have problem with the Bootstrap 5. Anything we have a problem with it, we just will know what is going on here. Okay, and here when I reload, do we have something new? Yes, now I have this. Okay, then I have this one. I can via data attributes. So here when I reload, do we have something different? Yes, nothing here. We just have this button. Okay, great. Now we have the less curve. If it is small, we will make it. No, it is very big. So this part we will make it in the next video. We are done with this video, so good luck and have fun.